Everybody, welcome. And today I am going to be eating my maize sapote right now. And my maize sapote is a fruit that not many people have heard of. So last night I had, my wife did it again. She made an amazing raw food lasagna. Raw food lasagna. And I'm going to show you a clip of it and we'll put the recipe below. All right, everybody, check it out. Alright everybody, check it out. This is lasagna here, a raw vegan lasagna. The last recipe I made, or my wife made, was dehydrated, and a couple of you were saying you don't have a dehydrator. Nothing in here is dehydrated. We'll put the recipe below. But this is another savory lasagna recipe. It's absolutely delicious and tastes like lasagna. And everything's fresh ingredients. So it's very filling. It's a big piece. Again, if that was at a raw food restaurant, you wouldn't get a big piece like that. It'd be half the size. And even if you did get a piece like this, $20, $30, it doesn't cost that much when you do it yourself. It's not that difficult. And yeah, so we're going to talk about this savory meal and just these recipes that we make and love. Again, I don't eat maybe twice a week. Maybe I'll eat something savory like this. Normally it's just a salad or a juice for dinner. But 2 nights ago I showed you the eggplant bacon, and last night it was lasagna. So I'm kind of getting spoiled, but it's all good. But now it's like 12 o'clock. I was too busy. I didn't eat anything yet today. My maize is a really cool fruit. It has the consistency of a sweet potato mixed with an avocado, and it tastes like a pumpkin pie. I know if you don't have a tree, it's hard to find or get, but they do sell it at Latin supermarkets all over the world. I know in New York they had it, but it grows here in South Florida. And you can order the fruit actually through the mail as well at laurafarmsmiami.com. I'll put the link below for that. But you know, you can find a lot of different fruits in the supermarket. I always recommend, especially when you're eating this way, to open up your horizons and try fruits you've never tried before. Even if you don't like them the first time, you might like them another time. Now, this fruit is from Laura Farms, and it's right off the tree, so I know it's going to be amazing. There are some fruits that you might buy in a store that they might not be picked ripe, so you might not like them. So give them a couple of times before you decide against them. All right, everybody, here is the mamey I'm going to open up. This is really cool. And remember, you still got the lasagna recipe that I'm going to put there below. Look at that. Look how cool this is. For those of you that have never seen this before. Again, mamey sapote, I'll put the link below. This is today my official first meal. I usually have a drink before noon, but today I didn't. So good. This is a Key West variety, also known as plantain. So like I said, it's a consistency of an avocado. And I had an avocado, did a tasting video with it today, as you saw, but this is very filling. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Go to your local Latin store and see if they have these. Now when you buy them, they're going to be really hard. And hopefully they'll ripen up okay. But when they get really, really soft, that's when you either have them in a smoothie or you eat them with a spoon just like this. Well, I'll have this now. And if I'm still hungry, I wish I had 2 of these, but I don't. But if I'm still hungry, I might have another piece of fruit or so. But if besides that, tonight, I'm done with my savory meals for the week. Tonight I'm just going to have a salad, or I might have a blended salad. It's like a soup salad blended up. Or I might have a whole salad, because I got the avocado to go along with the salad. But pretty much that's it. 29 years raw. That's how I'm doing it. I didn't get to exercise earlier today. I'll go a little bit later. And work on a particular body part today, my shoulders. and loving it and loving life. And the weather's starting to get a little cooler here, so that's really nice. If you have comments and questions, post them below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.